Hello students, today we have to move further. Almost it is the last part in the lesson entrepreneurship. Today we have to get to know about the successful entrepreneurs. So who make a name and fame, that are successful entrepreneurs. Entrepreneurs. So who are those successful entrepreneurs we can get? That thing is, first one is Dr. Pratap Reddy. First one is Dr. Pratap Reddy. Pratap Reddy. Let us know about the Dr. Pratap Reddy. So Dr. Pratap Reddy, he developed the India's first all facilitated hospital, that is called as the Apollo. I think you know heard about the Apollo hospital. Okay, that was Apollo hospital. Group of Apollo hospitals was established by the Dr. Pratap Reddy. So this is India's first facilitated hospital. All the facilitations are under the one building only. That's why it's called as the first multi-facilitated hospital. And he through the establishments of the group of Apollo hospital, he created the medical infrastructure in India. Medical infrastructure in India. I mean all the infrastructures will available in under one building, that has proved by the Dr. Pratap Reddy. So and he will become the successful entrepreneur. The second successful entrepreneur was Naresh Goyal. Who is that? Naresh Goyal. Keep in mind, Naresh Goyal. Naresh Goyal, he was the founder of Jet Airways. I think you know about that. Jet Airways is very famous for the war flights or the war aeroplanes. They are called as the Jet Airways. Jet Airways, that company was established by the Naresh Goyal. Then he started to look after the sales and marketing. Goyal took the advantages of opening the sky policy. He has opened the sky policies and took advantages through, because he made many agreements with the Indian government to provide the jet aeroplanes to the India for the war purpose. So that is the sky policy. And so he has get success in the sale and marketing of his jet aeroplanes. So that is about the Naresh Goyal, and he became the successful entrepreneur. Keep in mind, Naresh Goyal was the founder of Jet Airways. Next one, very famous persons, you heard about that, Narayana Murthy. Narayana Murthy, even his wife also make a name, that nothing but Sudha Murthy. Narayana Murthy was the founder of Infosys. I think what you heard, the software company, that is Infosys. So that was founded by the Narayana Murthy in the year 1999. Within a short period, that Infosys was grew in a worldwide. Many of the branches of the Infosys was established within a short period. In the sense around 5-6 years. So the company by 2006 in the sense, I think you can guess, only 7 years. Okay, within 7 years the company was employed over the 50,000 people. 50,000 people in a field of technology, IT, information technology. Okay, so that is about the great thing of Narayana Murthy. Even he is a very social person also. Even his wife Sudha Murthy is also social. She had a mindset of social service, and she is doing many work towards the society. That will be appreciable. And they are the both Narayana Murthy and even Sudha Murthy. They are very simple person. If they had companies worldwide, branches of Infosys worldwide also, they are the very simple persons. We want to appreciate them for their simplicity. Okay, that is about the Narayana Murthy. Next one is Verghese Kurian. Verghese Kurian, he was known as father of white revolution. He was called as father of white revolution. Keep in mind. So what is mean by white revolution? White revolution in the sense a revolution was more takes place in the production of milk is called as a white revolution. In production of milk is in white color. So in the production of, I mean more they have started to produce the more milk, that is called as the white revolution. Vergis Kurian has getting a fame. I mean, he was rewarded as, or he was renowned as father of white revolution. I think you heard about the Amul milk products, Amul ghee, what Doodh Peda, Amul, what are those milk products are there? Those are all Amul milk products, and the Amul milk was the great achievements of the Verghese Kurian. He also, along with that Amul milk, he also established the Anand Milk Dairy. Anand Milk Dairy. Even this milk products also very famous. Anand Milk Dairy at Khaira in Gujarat. Anand Milk Dairy. To produce the milk products, he established the Anand Milk Dairy at Khaira at Gujarat. Khaira at which place? Gujarat. Okay. So this is about the Verghese Kurian. Verghese Kurian was known as the father of white revolution. He has started the Amul milk and the Amul dairy products, or the Amul milk products are the great achievements of the Kurian. Then he also established the Anand milk dairy at Khaira at Gujarat. Okay. So this is about the Verghese Kurian. Next is about the Dhirubhai Ambani. I think you heard about that Dhirubhai Ambani. Now they are Mukesh Sansara, Mukesh Ambani and Anil Ambani. They are in the I think in the third place. Anil Ambani, yeah, he's in the third place of the world's richest person. Okay, in the third place, world's richest person, but that all credit that goes to the Dhirubhai Ambani. Dhirubhai Ambani, I think you know about that. He was the founder of a great IT center or IT company, that is, or the IT company, that is nothing but Reliance. Okay, first he started this entrepreneur career. Dhirubhai Ambani he started his entrepreneur career by selling the Bhajana books in the Avenue Road of Bangalore. Keep in mind. ಓಕೆ, ಭಜನೆಗಳ ಬುಕ್ಗಳನ್ನು ರೋಡಲ್ಲಿ ಮಾರ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಂಥ ಒಬ್ಬ ವ್ಯಕ್ತಿ. ಬೇಸಿಕಲಿ ವಾಸ್ ನಾಟ್ ಅ ರಿಚ್. Dhirubhai Ambani started his entrepreneur by selling the Bhajana book at the age of 16 in Bangalore streets. Later he went to the Africa, and there he worked as a attender in a gas station. Later he went to the Africa. In one gas station he was worked as a attender, and he earned in Africa nearly 50,000 rupees in Africa. So by that 50,000 rupees he established one textile industry in India. He established the textile industry in the sense cloth prepare ಮಾಡುವಂತ ಒಂದು industry. Okay, textile industry in India with that amount. Okay, later he expanded his business in the field of telecommunication, information technology, energy, power, etc. And he established the great telecommunication industry, that nothing but the Reliance worldwide. We can see the Reliance company worldwide, and their his sons were Dhirubhai Ambani and Mukesh Ambani. Even after his death, they are running that Reliance company. Okay, this is about the Dhirubhai Ambani. He was a great and a very successful entrepreneur. So without any back support, he has success in his field. That is the great we has to salute for Dhirubhai Ambani. Just ordinary he is selling a Vajana book. So from there he reached the his business and everything, the worldwide. It is a great achievement of Dhirubhai Ambani. Really, we have to salute for him. And the last one is last entrepreneur, that nothing but the Azim Premji. So Azim Premji, I think you heard about the Azim Premji. Azim Premji was the founder of Wipro. Okay, that nothing but Azim Premji. Azim Premji, he was the founder of Wipro. It is also one of the software company, that is the Azim Premji. He was the chairman of Wipro Technology, and it is the largest independent research and development provider. This Wipro is in a word, it is the largest independent research developer. Okay, this company is famous for the largest and for the research also. That is about the Azim Premji. Next we have to know about the one more entrepreneur, nothing but Ekta Kapoor. Ekta Kapoor. So she is known as the Queen of Indian television sector. Queen of Indian television sector, TV. Okay. So Queen of Indian television sector. Who is that? Ekta Kapoor. She is the creative director of Balaji Televisions. I think you heard about that Balaji Television. Almost all the serials are made by this, under this television only, that is the Balaji Television. So this was founded by nothing but Ekta Kapoor. For the lower age only, almost for the 18 to 20 years, she has founded her own television, that is the Balaji Television, and she was awarded as the best entrepreneur in the year 2001. In the year 2001, Ekta Kapoor was awarded as the best entrepreneur. Next is about the one more lady, that is nothing but Kiran Mazumdar Shah. Kiran Mazumdar Shah. Yes, Kiran Mazumdar Shah was the chairman and the managing director of Biocon Limited. Biocon Limited, even still that she was doing there only in a Biocon Limited. Kiran Mazumdar Shah was the managing director, and it is that Biocon Limited is the largest biotechnology company in India, started in the year 1978. It is the very largest biotechnology company, largest BT biotechnology company. Okay, this was started by Kiran Mazumdar Shah. Okay, she has started the Biocon Limited, and she became the chairman and the managing director, MD of that company, and it is the largest biotechnology company. This was started in the year 1978 by the Kiran Mazumdar Shah. So these were the greatest successful entrepreneurs who made a fame in their field. So lesson was completed. In the next period we have to move for the next lesson. Thank you all.